Lori. I wanted to show you my typewriter. It's not finished all the way yet. It is, I'm still missing the, like little teeth that go here, the little bobby pins, but it's really close enough to being finished to show. And I'm missing the knob on the back, but, this is it. These are the, little typewriter keys I got from that fish guy. What's his name? Oh god, I can't remember. But he has an Etsy shop. So that's all this really is to show is this typewriter. It's my last name and the little tag that goes in here. Well, the tag is really supposed to go here. Right there. I don't really like it right there, so I put it right there. It's like really dark here tonight. I don't know. Maybe I'll move out of my light. Hold on one second. Does that help? A little, I guess. Makes it a little brighter. At least you can see where the teeth are supposed to go. Okay. So, then the fun part is you turn it around and there's a little drawer back here. I need to get the, like a handle for it. It's completely black so you can't see, but, there's the drawer. Pulls out. I'll set my typewriter over here for now. And this comes from Kathy Orta's book, the little mini. Comes from her book. It is called a Flipped Out. And her book is called Interactive Mini Scrapbooks. And then you find this one on page 10, and that's what the little mini looks like. But this little mini in the book was going to be much too big to fit in the drawer. So let's get out of the drawer, put the drawer aside. This is a very nice little drawer. I just got to get the handle to go on the back. So this is the mini, and it should be about, I think, 2 inches higher. No, an inch and a half higher. And the other night I tried so hard to figure this out in my head, and I just couldn't. So I gave up on it. I came back the next day, and let me turn my TV down. So I came back the next day, and it, you know, was so easy the next day. I was so tired. I shouldn't do this stuff late at night. Has the organza, is what you call that? Organza tool, and a gross gain, a ribbon. Let's just call it a ribbon. A ribbon that goes through it. And so there's the cover. And this side has a typewriter, and then it follows around to the back, the typewriter. I didn't do a whole lot to the cover. I love this paper, this romance novel paper by Prima, Marion Smith and Prima, but I'm out of all the embellishments. No more embellishments whatsoever. And I got this little charm with my Scrap-a-Dab-a-Doo order, and so I went ahead and put it on here, but maybe I'll switch that charm out for something else. So you open it up, and it is a little, can you tell this is what I like? I made the mini. I love the typewriter. It's kind of neat and everything, but I really like the mini. I make minis because I just like making them. I hardly ever use the minis. I'm going to tell you this. I just put them on the shelf behind me. Everybody's mini. You send me a mini, I put it on the shelf. I don't really use them. And then I just take them down and look at them every now and then or show them off. So this one has a little waterfall. I used to really not like waterfalls, and then all of a sudden I started liking waterfalls. you know, just, and this is all scraps. This whole thing is pretty much made out of scraps. And my last two 12 by 12, let's see, now I think I have about 6 of the 8.5 by 11, the A5. I think I have like 6 sheets of that left, maybe 5 or 6 cut up ones of the 6 by 6. It's so sad. I hate to like finish this paper off because I love it so much. So these are the pages, and you know, everything is interactive. You can pull the little tags out, and they all, maybe this one doesn't pull out, but you can tuck something behind it. And I put them all, I sealed them all on the bottom with hot glue so that the tags would stick in and not fall apart. And these are actual, the little keys that are on the typewriter. Well, they're right here. And then here's another place you can tuck something in. And then a little tag with a typewriter, and the back says journal. I just don't think they're all going to go back in that easy. And then this one, just real simple. Because I was, and then you could write right there, but I was running out of paper. And then of course this one, you know, it's with one of Kathy Orta's little pockets, you know, the little tuck trick where you get a pocket. And a cute, cool little typewriter there. And then this side is a little booklet. And it says notes. And then you open it up and it has some graphing paper, and tuck something underneath there. You can tuck something there. I don't think this one's going to go back in so easy. Look there, it did. And then I kind of like this one the best. It's just like one of the little cutouts from the 12 by 12 kit, and then a leftover piece of paper that was really pretty. Even the back's really pretty. And then just a physics cutout. No, it didn't go there. Went there. And then again, this you can just tuck stuff in, and it's decorated with a little bit of the tulle right there. But didn't it come out pretty for just basically being scrap paper? I mean, I really love it. I really, really love it. And I have such a hard time parting with my minis sometimes. I feel so bad. Somebody's mini got lost in the mail, I guess. I don't know. She didn't get it. And I put a lot of time into that Bohemian, whatever it was called. I hated the paper, but it was just fun making it for somebody. And then I guess it got lost in the mail. It's really sad. I'm thinking about making her a little one like this with the scraps from that paper. Maybe I'll make her a little one like this and put it in the mail. I don't have enough paper to make her a whole nother one. But I'm really sorry, Sagatha, if you watch this. I really am sorry. Taught me a lesson to never send anything without delivery confirmation. So, that's it. I just wanted to show you my typewriter and my little book and say hey. And Olga, if you don't claim your prize, you're not going to get it. I mean that. And I'll just draw again this Sunday. So you have until Sunday to claim your prize, Olga. And then if you don't claim it, then I will go on to we'll draw another name. That's this Sunday. So it gives you a few days to get with me and send me your address. And I'm not going to do this where I just randomly pick a name. Maybe I'm going to start doing it by comment. You know, maybe you're going to have to comment on the video, and when you comment, then I'll draw from those names. Because really, it doesn't matter if you're a subby or not. If you're not watching my videos, then, I mean, we're not interacting, and it just seems strange to randomly send somebody a present when they don't even watch my videos. But anyhow, I wanted to come back and show you something. These, on the video, I don't know if you can see it because everything is black. These are, see these? Kathy Orta uses the Tim Holtz ones. And I used just old ones we had down in our basement that had gotten stripped. So we had to take them out the faucet outside over the years. See? They're old. They don't even really match. One is a little bigger than the other one. But isn't that neat? And after you paint them, you don't even like really notice. Kind of neat. They need to be distressed. They look very, very new. Do you know that was maybe the hardest part about doing this? Was distressing it? Because I kept thinking, no! I just made it! But it's supposed to be an old vintage typewriter. So, grunge it up and make it look old, and that's it. I'm done talking. I done talk. That's it. So now I will put it on the shelf, and maybe I will finish it when I get the bobby pins. You line them up here, and it makes it look like teeth. You know, the typewriter teeth? So look at my fingernails. They look like hideous. I'm so sorry. They look hideous. They have like black down in them, and I try to get it out, and usually when I wash the dishes, it like cleans my nails real good, but nothing got some of this paint out. But okay, that's it. That's my typewriter. That's my little mini. My little comment to you, Olga. Please get with me, or I'm going to pick somebody else to be the recipient of the die. And I'm up to suggestions on how to do the giveaway, because obviously just picking random names isn't a good idea. So maybe you have a comment. You have to comment on the giveaway video, and then a week later I'll go back and pick a name. That's probably a good idea. If you got a better one, let me know. Hope you liked looking at my typewriter and my little mini and my little piece of paper that will not stay up. That's it. Have a nice evening. Bye.